Department of Management Studies, IIT Delhi, well known as DMS IIT Delhi, is a part of the renowned IIT ecosystem. It is also one of the most coveted B schools in the country. My reason behind joining DMS is because of its faculty, rich alumni network, the placements at DMS, and also the Global Field Study program offered by DMS, which is an international learning program.
So what made me choose DMS? I had very specific factors in my mind when choosing which college to pursue my MBA from, like peer learning, student-faculty ratio, batch size, ecosystem within the college, freedom to pursue my interests, and last but not the least, the cost of this entire package. DMS IIT Delhi, I feel, offers this and much more. I feel there's a freedom to explore my interests because ultimately, when I'm investing 2 years of my life, I feel this matters a lot that you get to decide your own journey. And this is what the multifaceted IIT Delhi ecosystem promises with multiple opportunities at your disposal. And if you have any ideas for your own startup, then this is the place you want to be. Our faculties encourage us to pursue our entrepreneurial interests under the safe haven that DMS IIT Delhi offers.
There are several reasons why I chose DMS IIT Delhi for my MBA. The most obvious one being that DMS is ranked among the top 10 B schools of the country. Second, the atmosphere of innovation here at IIT Delhi is unbeatable. The faculty at DMS IIT Delhi is amazing. They are very qualified and they put in real efforts to make sure that we learn each and every concept and we are able to apply it in the real life. The Global Field Survey is an advantage in its own. You get to study for 15 days in another country, all at the expense of the institute. The fees at IIT Delhi is literally half of what you have to pay at other B schools. And lastly, the cherry on the top is that you get free laptops at DMS IIT Delhi for your study purposes.
The faculty and DMS are very qualified, they are very friendly and very approachable. They not only help us in understanding the formal topics of MBA in a very easy way, but also help us in cracking the tough case study competition which are organized regularly in the MBA curriculum. Since the batch size is very small, they know us all by our names, which is very unique advantage, and they take the regular feedback from us in incorporating the new topics and the new technology with the student who wants to learn. And they also take us the regular feedback from us in order to improve the course structure, the course design. So yeah, the faculty is really top notch and it's a pleasure learning from them.
DMS IIT Delhi has got faculty with rich and diverse experience. Faculty here has worked at international institutions and they have been in advisory roles to many government bodies. Also, the pedagogy followed at DMS is through case-based and application-based study. I think the curriculum at DMS and the faculty rich experience makes DMS always the best place for students.
Always great to be taught by industry veterans, no doubt about it. And secondly, I believe the case study pedagogy designed by our college faculty is what makes it stand out. Also, lastly, I believe the high research output adds final flourishing to.
MBA in online setup has its own pros and cons. We are anticipating how the experience would be in case the guest lectures and the classes are conducted in the halls at the campus. We want the experience of the campus life and the time which we can have to spend with the bachelors. Having said that, I can safely say that the learning has not reduced in any manner. The technology is far better than what it was a few years back. We still do all the group assignments, case study competitions, we organize events, we have guest lectures, we even celebrate birthdays, have a karaoke night and video call dinners. Being online also helps in saving a lot of commute time. Staying at home takes care of a lot of logistics and hence allow us much more time to be devoted to the studies and work itself.
I was very apprehensive about starting my MBA online, but the whole virtual experience at DMS has been extraordinary. Despite all the constraints, the level of communication and interaction we have been able to establish is commendable, and I think all of this was possible because the curriculum has been adapted in such a way so as to address all of these challenges without compromising the rigor of an IIT pedagogy.
The pandemic has disrupted all the events on this planet, including our learning. Ever since the pandemic started, we have been stick to online learning. But DMS IIT Delhi, the faculty and the students have been agile enough and promoted the online learning. We never felt that we are not on the campus.
To be honest, the virtual MBA was better than what I expected. But obviously you don't get the same experience as you get in on-campus MBA. And that said, my major reasons for doing an MBA was networking and to get a good job. So for networking, I was very skeptical that given the whole first year will be conducted online, I would not be able to make good connections. However, over a course of time, several formal and informal groups were formed to solve case studies and classroom projects. So I understood that the connection part is sorted. Coming to the placements, the whole SIP process was conducted very smoothly in a virtual setting, and different companies and some very good companies came to our campus for recruitment. Now, coming to the lectures part, obviously you don't get the same experience as you get in a classroom. However, the positive side is that you can now multitask.